Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. Not a beautiful football game to watch, right? But if you're Kaizer Chiefs and you just lost 4 games in a row, into ebalulekile is the 3 points. A beautiful football nizoyithola la nifuna khona. Hayi ku Kaizer Chiefs. Game first half, too many mistakes, right? Nothing tactical about both these teams. Tactically nje abekho mnandi both teams, but I'm going to be showing you a lot of mistakes that both teams did, but they didn't capitalize. Let's start. The second minute of the game. It's easing up, right? Okay, let me start with my formation. Chiefs, they are playing a 4-4-2 or a 4-4-1-1, right? Durban City, it was a 5-4-1. Sharp. Ipola liyazala. Mfana kithi. Chiefs does not capitalize. Let me take it back and then ngizokhuluma ngoDupreez. Hey, bafethu. This guy had options. He's got an option to pass the right right fullback here. He's got an option to pass this side, right? He's got an option to play the ball back or kahlele bola phambili. He doesn't. Uyaqeda, and then the pass is bad. Now, uDupreez, you cannot be a Kaizer Chiefs player. Guys, do you realize this is Kaizer Chiefs? I don't think these players understand. You are a Kaizer Chiefs player. You have to improve every season. You are given a chance here. You are given a chance. This guy, he knows ukuthi ukhahlela right. He knows ukuthi ukhahlela right. That's why he's blocking this part. Ukuthi ungalishayi la. Use your left foot. Let it bola ngapha and use your left foot. If you use your left foot, now you have many options. It's either ushaya la or ushaya la. But with your right foot, you cannot hit this side because it is blocked. These players don't understand with Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs. Another mistake, bad decision from Ecos. People at Durban City, they pass the ball here. Dude, you have an option to pass this side, you have the option to pass here. Look at this pass. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships. People who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand. Or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Bafethu times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Mara Bafethu. Then ulilepo naye bafethu mara naki understand mara bafethu. Why do players don't like taking a simple decision, a simple pass, an easy decision? Make the easy decision. This passing this guy here in his card was the easiest decision. Who are you passing here? Like ubani? Mara bafethu. Why don't you make the simplest decision, the simplest pass? Another opportunity opportunity. Durban City, Susi ball, right? Keeper, you have all the time to do the right thing. Pick a pass, wenze whatever ufuna ukuyenza. But watch this. Why? Bafethu bafethu kudlalwa ngathi la. Okay, Utuba does not control the ball nicely. But now Sharp here. For me, this was the wrong option. This was the wrong pass. This was the wrong option. Umabuwe is very far. Here is Ulilepo here. Okay, maybe he thought ukuthi uMabuwe uzoshaya first time. But umuntu esimazi ukuthi uthanda ukushaya from far. Nangu la. Umabuwe naye could have passed Ulilepo again. His first touch was bad. How many chances do you want to have? 3 times. Manje, Durban City yenza ama mistake, but you don't capitalize. Decision making. Every game that I do, there is a problem with decision making. Throw in your Durban City. Siyabanika bayifuni, siyabanika pa. Bana. Bafethu. There is something wrong somewhere. You can't, bafethu, kunzima as a coach, coach achieves. You need players that are already made. Not to you still have to teach ama players who first team decision making. Bafethu. You can't be teaching players with this level decision making. This was the right pass here. This was the right person. Right person. When you want to play the ball there. This man gonna cover for him. There's no cover for him. Yeah? Watch him do. Watch him do after. Uyakhala. Durban City made their mistakes. Chiefs didn't punish them. Asibheke bona ukuthi bazoyenzani. Because na i-Chiefs nabo every team inama mistake wabo, right? Beautiful tackle la by uCross. Now Sharp. Here, let me play it. They need to play uMcCarthy at the back. That boy is very good. He's very smart. Umikael, he needs to get his passport back. He is not the player that they need. A mover, it Chiefs. Now watch. We can't be a big team, Bafethu. We can't be a big team and we don't play Ibola a move. And playing the ball from the back, you don't need to be confident. You just need to know when to move, where to move. Umikael is confident on the ball, but he doesn't know when to move or where to move. Because here, Sharp, no Mabuwe, he could have ran with the ball or a passela, or pass the keeper. Pass the keeper in time. But Umikael, you should move, Baba. Open up. Open up. You cannot play E1-2 here. You cannot play E1-2. You cannot play. If you do, you need to know, okay, Uguti, Undlovu, this is Undlovu, right? But there's a man coming this side over Durban City. You can't pass straight. You can't pass him straight. You need to pass him on his right foot. Now, anything up by attack, bafethu. Balthatha. But this is all about where when someone has the ball, where do I move to? You give yourself space, and when you have space, you have time. Another mistake, goal kick. If you are here, you can't push the ball uza phakathi nendawo. No. Angithi there's two center backs here. Then ugoalkeeper uphakathi nendawo. Then the center back, you can't be pushing the ball ungena phakathi. Why are you coming inside? That is the first mistake. Ufuna ukuza phakathi nendawo. Why ufuna ukuza phakathi nendawo? And you cannot be saying wozani. No, you can't tell a player to come and get the ball. Right? Bese ufuna ukumpasa. No. The player must show what he wants the ball. And makalifuna, he will make a run to show you what, no, I want the ball. Right? uNdlovu, he's not that player. He's not delicious. The only player uMabuya, right? But now he's not recognizing Guti. There is space here. Angithi uNdlovu ula, right? He's pulling these two away. Now Mabuya was ala. But he doesn't. Then we are, yes, but then again, after passing the ball, in short, you need to know where to move, when to move. After passing the keeper, make a run there as well. So that kuzovuleka space la phakathi nendawo. Kuzovuleka space for uMabuya. But he doesn't. He's standing here. Why? Why? It's simple, this thing. This thing is simple. Angithi they are pressing with two here. There's three of us here, right? See three, but pressing at two. If we pass the keeper, then see by four. Whenever you open up the space, if this guy goes here, the keeper will pass you the ball. Sugar. Bomi guy. Second half, the Chiefs scored the goal. They played much better. The problem with Amakocho Chiefs, they don't know which players like to combine with each other. And football, or when attacking, you need combination play. Right? It doesn't have to be scripted play, but you need players that like to play together, that combine much better. uVilakazi combines much better makadlala noSolomon. uVeliphi makadlala noMdu, they play much better. You need to know those things as a coach. Now, let's go. Look at Ukunyika. He's complaining because of uSolomon's upasa unot 0. Okay, sharp. Long pass. Okay, you need a winger like this. This is just the highlight, but let me take it back. Chiefs doesn't score here, but what I like is you can't be a winger that only uses one foot. Please, you cannot. You need a versatile winger. Just because you are strong-footed, left, doesn't mean you must always tuck in. Now, here, I always say, if you're alone in the box, always make your run here. Why do you want to come here? Why? Make your run here. Yeah? Even if back pass, it's not simple for you to score there, because the moment back pass, I'm a defender and I will shy first time. Come here, Mfanagiti, come here. Combination play. Let me show you. Doom, no Veliphi, right? But in this case, we have a disturb Utuba. Nice space here, right? I don't know, Guti. Now, Ushabalala, was he passing Veliphi or was he passing Umdu? Tuba, Utuba. Tuba, now I can't pass. You can't pass PSL level. You can't pass your teammate. Buffett. Aye. Nangu umuntu la. Uphasa la. Ayi. You've never scored from there. I don't know why you want to score today. Goal Kaizer Chiefs. Our ball. Mponzi, defender. Uhleli ibhola ngomponzi. Suka. Okay, Chiefs. Okay, Amakhosi. Stay on your feet, mfana ngithi. Cross. Phakathi. Beautiful goal. Beautiful goal. 2 mistakes by Durban City. The first one was the right back. Ne? If you're not going to win the ball, stay on your feet. Niyekele balidlale laphaya. Niyekele alithole uveli bhayi lapha. Because think about it. If uyaliyekela ne, he still got time ukuthi ahambe amfake under pressure. But because manje sekahleli phansi, uveli bhayi has got all the time to look up and make a pass. And then the second mistake, watch here, right? This guy was marking Ulilep. Okay, sharp. This guy is coming to press, but they forget about Ulolipo. Phakathi, inside. Final clip. Bese ngiyayivala bafethu. Thatha Gatsheni. Turning with them. Beautiful pass. The only thing that we want as fans is for you guys to hit the target. We're not saying score every time you get a chance. No. But shoot the target. Hit the target. Bad defending here. Okay, bad defending started here. Okay, sharp. Skadlala offside trap. Hit the target, mfana kithi. Chapa target. Even if keeper saves it, ne? At least to shy target. Okay, bafethu, ngiyabonga. Thank you for the support again. If you haven't subscribed, it is free to subscribe. It won't cost you any money. But if you want to join and become a member, it is 15 Rand. Ngiyabonga again. Thank you for watching.